Yo, what's up YouTube? Hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do this. So, about a month ago, I received this comment. Firstly, shout out to Joe Broom. Thank you for teaching me this. I love it. I do it all the time now. Secondly, what he's saying is he's owned a Corsa VXR for a few years, and it's a technique on how to make your exhaust pop/bang every time you go through the gears. So let's get into it. I'll demonstrate how to do it, and I'll show you some clips of me driving and doing it and that sort of stuff. Hope you enjoy. Another thing I do want to say just quick, what he also says in that comment is he was doing it with a standard exhaust, and now he's got a custom exhaust or back box delete, I think, and it's even louder. And if you've been watching my channel for a little bit, you know I've got a pre-cat delete and a res delete. I've still got the standard cat and I've still got a standard back box. So if you do have the standard exhaust, don't worry, you can still do this and you'll still bang, but it just won't be as loud as somebody that has a custom exhaust, for example. But let's get into the pedals and let me show you the technique. So firstly, you kind of need to forget everything you already know about changing gears. So obviously normally you push the accelerator down and then you come off and you push the clutch. You don't want to be doing that. You want to be pushing the accelerator and then kind of push forwards to slide off, if you know what I'm saying. Because when I was first trying to do it, what I was doing is I was just sliding off like that. I wasn't really pushing forward and I was struggling to do it. So you want to push forward and slide off. As you slide off, push the clutch. And yeah, that's basically it. It will take some practice, because obviously sliding off and then pushing the clutch, like I said, it goes against everything you're taught when it comes to changing gears. I always find it's better with the revs higher, but like Joe Broom said, you can do it at any rev range, but obviously when you're pushing the accelerator down, you're bringing the revs up anyway before you push the clutch pedal down. See, the biggest and hardest thing about this is timing, because it's getting the right coming off the accelerator and pushing the clutch. You can't just slide off and then push the clutch, and you can't push the clutch as such while you're still sliding off, because then you're just going to over rev the engine. It's getting that timing perfectly. Once you've got it down, trust me, you'll do it every time. But at first it may take a few tries. I mean, obviously I got that comment a month ago. It's not taken me a month to master it as such, but it took me a good like 3 or 4 days to get the hang of it. And then I'm just trying to make sure that I can do it every single time and manipulate it to get it every single time. There are times where it won't go right. I mean, I've got some footage of me driving and doing it, showing the pedals, which I'm going to show, and in one of those bits of footage, I think I still have it, I just forgot to slide off because it's not something you're used to doing. But yeah, let me show you me driving and doing it. You can't really hear the bangs as well. You more hear the accelerator bouncing up more than the bangs, unfortunately. But hopefully you enjoy. I do have some more footage of me driving through a tunnel, which showing you like from like not outside the car, but like showing you outside of the car while I'm driving, so you can hear the bangs while I'm doing it. You can hear the pedals because obviously when the accelerator flicks up, it's quite loud. It's annoying, but it is what it is. I know this has been quite a short video, but hopefully being short and sweet, and it helps a lot. If you do have any more questions or help, then do comment down below and I'll be sure to answer to the best of my ability. But that's it for this video, apart from the footage at the end, obviously, like I said. But if you did enjoy, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe if you're new. Peace.